Welcome. In this video, we will explore the exponential distribution, a fundamental concept in statistics used to model the time we wait for things to happen. We will also uncover its most fascinating characteristic, the memoryless property. So, what exactly is the exponential distribution? It is a continuous probability distribution that describes the time between independent events that occur at a constant average rate. Think about waiting for a bus that doesn't follow a schedule or waiting for your phone to ring. If these events happen randomly, but with a steady average frequency, the time you wait follows this distribution. Here is the mathematical heart of the distribution, the probability density function, or PDF. The formula is lambda times e to the power of negative lambda x in this equation. Lambda represents the rate at which events occur, x is the time or distance, and e is Euler's number, a mathematical constant approximately equal to 2.718. If we graph this function, we get a curve that starts high and decays smoothly as time goes on. The vertical axis represents probability density, and the horizontal axis represents time. The highest probability density is always at time 0, meaning short waiting times are the most likely, and very long waiting times become increasingly rare. The shape of the curve is entirely controlled by the parameter lambda. A high lambda means events happen quickly, so the probability drops off very fast, you likely won't wait long. A low lambda means events happen rarely, so the curve stretches out, indicating a higher chance of longer waiting times. Two key numbers summarize this distribution. The mean, or expected waiting time, is simply 1 divided by lambda. Interestingly, the standard deviation is also 1 divided by lambda. This means that for the exponential distribution, the average value and the spread of the data are tied directly to the rate parameter. Now for the most unique feature, the memoryless property. In simple terms, this means the system does not remember how long it has already been running. The probability of an event happening in the next minute is exactly the same, regardless of whether you've already waited 10 minutes or 10 hours. Let's check our intuition. A bus schedule is not memoryless. If a bus is due at 5:00 and it is now 5:05, the bus is overdue and very likely to arrive soon. However, a light bulb is often modeled as memoryless. If a bulb has worked for 1,000 hours, it is not tired. Its chance of failing in the next hour is the same as if it were brand new. Used is effectively as good as new. Mathematically, we write it like this. The probability that x is greater than s plus t, given that x is already greater than s, is simply equal to the probability that x is greater than t the s. The time already elapsed cancels out. The future probability depends only on the future duration, t. To recap, the exponential distribution models the time between events in a Poisson process. It is defined by the single rate parameter, lambda. It produces a decaying curve where short intervals are most common. And finally, it is the only continuous distribution that possesses the memoryless property.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.